Hi guys, I am here from learningStar. As promised, today we are kicking off our first programming session. Let's start by addressing a common question. Why learn to code? Many people start coding for extrinsic reasons like money or peer pressures. However, the true essence of programming often gets lost in the pursuit of these external goals. This lack of a clear intrinsic motivation is a significant hurdle that causes many to give up before they truly experience the beauty of programming. Today, we are going to reframe the question, why is programming valuable? As I mentioned, it's not just about earning a living or fitting in. Programming is about creation. Humans have innate desire to leave a lasting mark, to build something meaningful. Though programming, we can bring inanimate objects to life, imbuing them with intelligence and the ability to think. This is the ultimate goal for programming, in my opinion. In essence, we are learning to animate the inanimate, and why is it so important to learn this skill? In today's digital world, it's becoming increasingly difficult to navigate without understanding how software works. By learning to code, we empower ourselves to solve problems independently rather than relying on others. I've designed this course to introduce you to the concept of programming in a fun and engaging way. I want you to see programming not as a job or a means to an end, but as a creative outlet. In our next session, we'll discuss why I choose Python for this course. Until then, keep exploring the fascinating world of programming.